everyone. So we were on this problem. Last thing I mentioned was you could do 6 times 6 times 4 divided by 3. Or you could just type the whole thing in. You could do 1 divided by 3 times 6 times 6 times 4. And you also get your 48. So remember that you have to put the units. So this is measured in centimeters. So it's centimeters cubed. Remember, volume is always cubed. Centimeters times centimeters times centimeters is centimeters cubed. All right, so anytime you have the slant height, you're going to have to do Pythagorean theorem. All right, last one, number 3. Find the volume of the cone to the nearest thousandth. Oh, actually, you know what? This said nearest tenth. So I actually, even though it was exactly, I need a value in the tenth place. So 48.0 centimeters cubed. All right, we're on to the nearest thousandth. Okay, so first of all, let's look at units. The only unit we have is millimeters. So I don't have to do any conversions. There's only one unit. Identify your shape. So this is a cone. So the volume of a cone, I'm looking at my reference sheet. Volume of a cone, 1/3 pi r squared h. So 1/3 pi r squared h. So I'm going to need the radius, and I'm going to need the height. Well, they gave me the height. I do not have the radius. I have an angle measure, and what appears to be a right triangle. So when we have one side of a right triangle and an angle measurement, and we want to find another side, we can use trigonometry. So here's my reference angle, 66. I can label my sides. The 18 is my opposite. I am looking for x, which is my adjacent. So using SOHCAHTOA, I want to use tangent. So tangent of 66 is going to be my opposite over my adjacent. So I cross multiply. 18 times 1 is 18, and I'm going to have x times the tangent of 66. Divide both sides by tangent of 66. Grab my calculator. I'm just going to double check. Am I in degrees? Yes, I am. So I'm good to go. So I'm typing in 18 divided by tangent of 66. I'm going to go up 4 decimal places. So x is going to be 8.0141. So that's what my x is. So now I can start to substitute into my volume formula. So this is my radius, 8.0141. I have to square that and then multiply this by the height. All right, so this is also going to be in millimeters because that's what the unit was that we used here. So everything is in millimeters. So, all right, you could type all this in one shot if you wanted to. 1 divided by 3. Second pi, the calculator knows to multiply them. Parentheses, 8.0141 parentheses squared times 18. Let me double check. Is that what I wanted to say? It is. I'm hitting enter. All right, so volume is 1,210.627786 thousandths place. Tenths, hundred, thousandths. That 7 is telling us to turn this 7 into an 8. Here's my volume. Do not forget units. This is all millimeters cubed. So there you have it. Finally, these day 2 notes are done. Only took 3 videos. Woo! All right, have fun doing the homework. Bye.